Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
What I know?
Where is it?
Put on your rum cream to my car.
No, man, no, I'm gonna be
So you
No,
drink
man,
it, 10 of
everything
them.
one time.
man.
Everything. You know, say you're drinking first. Alright, make it safe, lad. Make it safe.
So what you say? You're going to drink it 10 of them one
10
time.
one of them, one time.
See them
Yo,
there?
go on.
Watch it
Just,
out.
yo, beat you all of them. Next one I know.
Bomboras, glad. Next one I know.
Bumbo clad.
Glad. 10 Magnum, man, I drink it up. 10 of them. And then gone one.
Magnum party just a start.
Magnum party just a click. Bumbo clad, that are two. People, when you look, you know, see empty buckle over there today. Alright now, in gone for the one, the third one now, and in Belgium. Bomboras glad. This have to go on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and people my blood glad.
You know, journal, go in there.
So you say you're going to drink it one time?
How you feel? Beat it.
Hi.
Nah, man, you get beer money, man. Oh, I'm sure. Stop wasting something, man. See that drink for your mouth. That style, man, you know.
Hey.
Mario, let's talk in blood class.
And number 4 that. Pussy glad.
Yo, stop wasting thing, my youth. No rum no in there, man. Yo, drink the thing, my youth. No rum no in there, man. Drink it, man. One go.
Brother, man, go black out, you know.
Yo, drink it, man.
You want water now? You don't want water?
Drink some of my cranberry juice and for balance it. Drink the cranberry juice to balance. Drink some of my cranberry juice.
No, man, drink water. Hold on.
Come, drink some of
Yeah, cigarette, yeah, cigarette.
Get your piece of weed.
Terrible, man.
What me do, Kaja? Me terrible, Kaja?
You're very terrible. Fuck.
Fuck.
Oh, man.
I force me see this. One man drink 10 Bumbo Clad Magnum.
My mom
Yeah,
walking
but-
out.
When children are done,
And she left her done.
you see Sam start this. I when me sleep and wake up and build up. You see back a video me show.
Yeah.
Look
That's
this
right.
man,
Look
look
at
what
that.
me doing, man.
One thing you know, man, let the eye them fuck me, you fuck like a ball in eye.
Are you making hook up the last night?
What's that next time?
I see what we can hook up the last night.
After me and the rest of the watch on Marley, you say, what you doing on the place, the Marley? I went here and said, they more than this. That was that thing last night, I'm with them, with them.
Drain out the back of them, you know, man.
Yeah, I'm a brethren. Different thing, you know? Oh!
Kaja, you drink one to Kaja. You drink one in a one cup.
Yeah,
Yo, where you ball? Oi, I want you. Where you ball?
you know what's the water,
Yo, daddy.
How much you want to eat for 10 million? Wow!
Your boss.
Me see one man drink up 10 Magnum in a one
Up
Bumbo
well.
Clad minutes.
See record there. See record.
Bumbo Clad, look
Belge
at
again.
one. People look at one.
Yo, watch out that camera, make the man drink, man.
But you not give my money if you want.
I'm a virgin Mario by one box of Magnum.
Yeah, but-
That you have to drink after.
Yeah, but-
In a 1 hour. And it take more than a
But you
minute.
didn't need the money
And done
man that game.
50.
You might want the money man.
Eh?
You might want to go party again.
Ano ko pa na idiot?
Me a quirky.
Bumbo.
Yo, you have to do it now, man. You don't
And
care.
last one left. Wait.
I'm ready with the man goes to now.
Last man up.
I see you.
Yo, bossy, man. Yo, bossy, man.
Bust the one there now.
You say me a boss it.
Bumbo clad.
Boss it man.
Yeah, you're gonna get a craving here when you're done, man. I'll buy you a craving. No, man, I'll buy you a craving here. David, in a man. Chubumbo, lad. Then you make your man them get, and you drink it 10 of them.
Yeah.
10 Magnum, dog.
Yeah.
And you drink it 10 of them, dog. And you really follow him.
Yeah.
So you're a fool.
A fool.
And you tell me.
The man drink up 10 bottle of Magnum tonic wine. 10. You know what it is to drink 10? Any of you even know what it is to drink 2 one time, much less 10? If I did 10 bottle of beer, him drink up, I wouldn't feel it so. Believe you me, but 10 Magnum tonic wine. Any of you ever look on the percentage on a beer bottle before? The alcohol percentage? And compare it to the alcohol percentage on a Magnum tonic wine? The beer bottle show you the beer is 4.7. You get me? Alcohol percentage of 4.7 and the Magnum tonic wine are 16.5. That are 3 times plus little one bottle of beer when you drink a bottle of Magnum, you know, and him drink 10. So basically him just drink a crate of beer then. You see that? Yo, let me tell you. And you see, it's the understanding, you know. People don't really understand what they might do to them body when they might do these things, you know. That's why them do what them do, you know. You see me? Some of them go out the road and them drink a bag of liquor and say, oh, we can't drink off all the crate of liquor, boy, you can't drink like me, no day. Oh, man, a tough drinker. You know not about drinking, boy, head you see. Goose, right. And these things, and I realize, it a damage them. Them hear the word say, drink responsibly, and think I'm going to care, you talk about. Remember, say your brain drive your body too. And if you're damaged, that you're damaged just as when you're crashing a car. The same. You see me? Now, if that man go home and pass out any form of blood, my biggest request, solution to him is to make sure he go see a doctor right away. Immediately, quick and fast. Right now, in the state where him just do, him should go see a doctor right now. That's one thing. But anyways, for all of the people that will love drink hard, especially the one that will drink really hard and come home with a hangover, you need to know something about drinking habit. Like you need to know what to do in the morning when you wake up. When you wake up in the morning, if you can drink a cup of tea, fine. But some people don't drink tea, so perfect. But at no point, especially if you have a hangover, at no point you're supposed to be eating hard food like fried chicken and all these things. You need a bowl of porridge first. You see me? If you can't do the bowl of porridge, at least drink a cup of tea and give yourself near an hour, make the stomach rest. You see me? Light meals. You see me? Like maybe an egg sandwich or whatever. Even though I wouldn't recommend that, but I really recommend a bowl of porridge. And enough I wouldn't drink porridge because they say, oh, only sick people drink porridge, only people in the hospital drink porridge. Yeah, you see? Next thing now, you have a thing we can repair your liver. You see me? Because each time when you drink the alcohol, piece on the liver tear off and it come out now the feces, and enough people don't know that. You see me? Your liver and your kidney are mash up when you drink the alcohol, them, especially the strong one them. So you have a thing where you call it tambourine. Tambourine. Not for one must know tambourine. Tambourine is that nutty fruit where inside of a shell. You see me? With the chocolate thing on it. Yeah. That fruit is not only a detoxing fruit, but is a fruit where repair your liver, you see me? But here what the thing now, you can't go use the tambourine and then you expect to go work the next morning. It not go work out because you know the tambourine, real Jamaicans know the tambourine, if you eat too much it take you diarrhea. You know that, right? So anyways, here what the thing now, you're going to put it in the blender, put it pan whip, because you can't put the blender pan blend and start to chop up the seed and all them things. So you put it pan whip and make it whip off the chocolate thing off of the nut and make a juice out of it. You need like about 2 handful of it, you know, to make like a quarter jug of it or even a half jug, depends on how thin you want it. And that right there, so when you drink that, trust me, it repair you. And for some of the people who have a whole lot of things inside of them, expect it going to come out very fast, quick, within the next 4 hours. You see me? So I just want them think them. My uncle hope so when me bring come show right and now can help towards any form of situation. You see me I say, because me know say a lot of people out there drink hard. You see me? Really hard. Alright? So, anyways, if me wrong, you don't know, so you can leave in a comment and tell me what you think about what me just said. You see me I say, as always, if you need to know more what go on and want to stay up to date with the Dancehall Skilla, you can just click the subscribe button. You see me? My name is the Skilla, and this one me just bring to you a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.